Abuti. Hello, Osi.
Dumela ausi.
Dumela Abuti.
Dumela
bana.
bana.
What are we learning today?
Ke ya kwa.
Oh, we're learning how to say I go somewhere in Setswana. Osi, how do we say I go to the hospital?
Ke ya kwa bookelong.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. The ke ya means I go. The kwa means there. And did you notice that bookelo becomes bookelong because we're saying I go to the hospital? Let's look at some more examples. Abuti, how do we say I go to the store?
Ke ya kwa lebenkeleng.
And how do we say I go to school?
Ke ya kwa sekolong.
That's easy. And how do we say I go to church?
Ke ya kwa kerekeng.
So bookelo changes to bookelong. And lebenkele changes to lebenkeleng. Sekolo changes to sekolong. And kereke changes to kerekeng. And ntlo changes to ntlong. You see how easy it is? And now you can say I go somewhere in Setswana.
Sala simple.
Sala sentle.